Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make use of 3 indicators to create a high probability strategy. I make use of Zig Zag indicator, a Keltner Channel indicator, and the Stochastic Oscillator to find an entry level in the market. I'm going to be sharing with you the settings of those indicators, the exact candle time frame, and also the expiration time I use with this strategy. Everything I'm going to be sharing with you right here on this video. If this is the first time of you seeing our content, and if at the end of this video you're able to find value on the content, do ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. As a reminder, everything I'm going to be sharing right here is based on my own personal experience in the market. I'm a trader, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you need to take any financial decision, do ensure you consult your financial advisor. So right here on the chart, I'm going to be using a Zig Zag indicator, Keltner Channel, and Stochastic Oscillator. So I can come over to the indicator section, then I can choose a Keltner Channel, Stochastic Oscillator, and Zig Zag indicator. The settings of my Zig Zag indicator comes with the deviation of 6, the depth as 12, the back steps as 4. Right here on the style level at the main line, I'm going to be using a yellow color and I'll set it on 2 pixels. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. My Keltner channel comes with the settings of the EMA period of 18, the ATR period of 11, the multiplier as 2. Right here on the style level at the top section, I'm going to be using a green color and I'll set it on 2 pixels. The middle section, I'm going to be using a yellow color, I'll set it on 2 pixels. While the bottom color, I'm going to be using a red color, I'll set it on 2 pixels. With the background color, I'm going to be using a white color and I'll set the opacity just like this. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. While my Stochastic Oscillator comes with the K period as 13, the D period as 3, the smaller period 3, moving average, I'm going to be using SMA. Right here on the style level at the K period section, I'm going to be using a blue color, I'll set it on 1 pixels. The D period, I'm going to be using an orange color, I'll set it on 1 pixels. While the 80% level, which is the overbought conditional level, I'm going to be using this color and I'll set it on 1 pixels. And the 20% level, which is the oversold conditional level, I'm going to be using a yellow color and I'll set it on 1 pixels as well. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. So with this strategy, I'm going to be using 30 seconds candle time frame. I'm going to be using the normal Japanese candlestick, and also I'll be using 3-minute expiration time. So right here I found an opportunity for an up position. So the first thing I always put into consideration anytime I want to make use of this strategy is identifying the key areas of overbought condition and also an oversold conditional level. And that's the reason why I use a Keltner channel to identify the overbought condition and also the oversold conditional level. And if the market is reversing from there and I'm having a consistency of my candlestick with the direction of the market, which is the use of Zig Zag indicator, I tend to find an opportunity in the market. I also make use of my Stochastic Oscillator to also find a directional move in the market. So right at this particular level, the Stochastic Oscillator line is moving from the oversold condition and it's giving me an indication of the market going towards an upside direction. And right here, I make my first win. So right here, I found another opportunity for a down position. So right here, the market is reversing from the overbought conditional level, which also give me an idea that the sellers are pretty much ready to take the market from the hands of the buyers. They're ready to push the market towards a downside direction. I also see a confirmation from my Zig Zag indicator, which also confirm a down move, and also with my stochastic oscillator, it also indicates a downward movement. So I have a stable candlestick right here, which also indicates stability of the market. So right here, I have 2 minutes and 8 seconds to go. So right here, I also make another win. So right here, I found another opportunity. So I found a reversal of the market towards the downside direction. But I need also a confirmation from my Zig Zag indicator, just like the way I got a confirmation from my stochastic oscillator as well. So right here, go for a 3 position. So I'm able to see a directional move of the market towards a downside direction, confirming it with my indicators, which give me a confirmation to go into the market. So right here, I have 4 seconds to go. And right at this point, I also make another win. So right here, I also find another opportunity. But another thing I also put into consideration is that once my stochastic oscillator has gone too far, I don't always find an opportunity. I always find an opportunity when my stochastic oscillator is just coming up. Because basically, to me, I feel like the market has gone too far. and I think I already expected this result. So right here I found an opportunity for a down position. So I got a confirmation from all my indicators, and also I saw a stable candlestick reversing from the overbought conditional level, giving me an indication of a downward move. So right here I have 2 minutes and 37 seconds to go. And right at this point, I make another win. So this is where I'm going to stop on this video. I hope you find value on this content. And if you do ensure you like this video. Let us know your thoughts on the comment section. Share these videos. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.